How to get new emojis on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Then, search and tap to go to a website like emojipedia.org. From this page, you can find out about all the latest emojis. Scroll down and find the emoji you want to get and tap on it. Under the most popular section, tap on Show More, which is located beside. Keep scrolling down to choose an emoji that you like. Here, you can learn more about emoji. Go ahead and tap on Copy. This will copy the emoji to your clipboard. Now, go back to the home screen and open up the Messages application. From here, select the message thread you want to send the emoji with. After opening the message, tap on the text bar and select Paste. As you can see, the emoji has now been pasted. Following these steps, you can easily get new emojis on an iPhone.